A change in bad habits leads to a change in life. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rutanshi from First C. Today, I narrate the story with bad habits. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy. He had many bad habits, so his parents were worried about him. With no more options, the